Hi YouTube, I just wanted to do a quick tabletop review of one of my favorite little tools. I picked this up around 2 years ago and I've been carrying it and using it ever since. And it's just a little Leatherman Wingman, extremely durable, has spring-loaded jaws, extremely rugged wire cutters. I've cut up to 6-penny nails with these and no damage whatsoever. I've used the jaws for everything. I used it a lot fishing, removing hooks and stuff like that. And I've used it to work on a vehicle, pull nails, just anything you can imagine, it'll do it. And it does it well. The Wingman has scissors, which I use all the time. Them are some handy little things. You wouldn't think you would use them so much, but I find myself using them a lot. It's good to apply a little bit of pressure this way on that lever just to keep these blades tight together as they move back and forth. Get a much better cut. And the spring will never go bad. This is probably as durable as you could possibly get. It also has a safety lock, clicks in place, keeps it open. You just push that in like a lockback knife. Then you got the knife edge over here, the same thing, lock blade, serrations. That's really what I don't like about it. I don't like those serrations on there. I could do without that. Just be a little easier to sharpen. And I noticed that the blade is beveled a little higher on this side because of the serrations, I believe, than it is on this side. So that's a little odd. Be hard to sharpen. I've never had to sharpen it because I don't use it that much. I use it mostly for cutting boxes open or letters or something like that. I've stripped a little wire with it. That's about it. And it's got a super good pocket clip on it. It rides down low in the pocket. It's nice and tight, but not so tight and close to the tool itself that it wears your pockets out, getting it in and out. And on the inside you have a little measuring stick there, a ruler, centimeters and inches, I think 1 inch there, 1.5, something like that. Little tiny flat bit screwdriver. Not sure what that little hook is, but it is very sharp. I've used it for stuff, I can't remember exactly what, but it's retained its edge well. The file, as you can see, I've used that a lot and it does actually work. It's a nice sharp file. The can opener, I use it all the time. I fish for carp, I use a lot of corn, and that'll get in a can of corn real quick. And let's see what we got over here. We got a Phillips tip screwdriver and a flatbed screwdriver. The Phillips tip actually fits most Phillips screws. Not all perfectly, but neither does a screwdriver unless you have the right screwdriver. So it's a very versatile Phillips bit. Will do a lot of stuff for you. The flat bit is really thick, as you can see, but for the things I use it for, it is perfect. I use it for dismantling Bua Garcia reels. I've used it to open paint cans, stuff like that. It does great. It's a handy little tool. It's not that big. You can see it fits in the palm of my hand. It's not that heavy, something you wouldn't want to carry all day. And it's built to last a lifetime. And the best part about it is I got it for like 25 bucks. So, if you get a chance to get one of these, I wouldn't hesitate a bit